Today, class, I'm going to try and melt your minds a little. This might take a small bit of figuring out, but it's a really interesting fact to know. As you already know, no doubt, it takes 365 and a quarter solar days for the Earth to go around the Sun. So far, so good. Now, most people presume that it takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate fully on its axis, giving us one day, and so the Earth must rotate 365 and a quarter times each year to orbit the Sun once. Wrong. The Earth rotates 366 and a quarter times every year to orbit the Sun. But wouldn't that mean there should be 366 days every year except a leap year when it would be 367? What's going on? Okay, a solar day is the period taken for the Sun to appear at its highest point in the sky from one day to the next. That's easy to understand, and one would presume that every time the Earth makes one full revolution, that is exactly what happens. Well, what we forget is that while the Earth is rotating on its axis, it is also orbiting the Sun, which means that the Sun is in a slightly different location to the Earth on the next day. So when the Earth completes a full 360 rotation, the Sun isn't at its highest point, and the Earth has to rotate for 4 more minutes for the Sun to again be at the highest point. So the Earth rotates 360 degrees in 23 hours and 56 minutes, but needs to rotate a fraction more of a degree for 4 minutes for the next midday to occur. The diagram here is not to scale but exaggerated to show the principle. Now that 4 minute fraction equates to about 2 hours every month and about 24 hours every year, which is one extra rotation spread out over the year. This means that the Earth rotates not 365 and a quarter, but 366 and a quarter times every year. This is hard to appreciate by measuring days using the Sun as a marker. We call them solar days. But we can also use stars to measure days. These are called sidereal days. If at midnight you look at the star that is overhead, you will find the same star is overhead again 23 hours and 56 minutes later. The stars are so far away compared to the Sun that our movement around the Sun does not usually affect their relevant position to us. By waiting 24 hours, we see the stars have shifted 4 minutes to the west. This proves we only take 23 hours and 56 minutes to make one rotation. Ain't science fun?